more details. Going into Excel reporting, Reports tab, I have some different functionality to cover. First of all, if you have several files, here for instance you select several files and then you want to use the overview function or any other template and make an Excel report, you will have one sheet per measurement. However, you can also combine them and then make one sheet. This checkbox here will then be used for that. So you check this and then you will get one Excel sheet for all these measurements combined into one. Going over to the General Analyzer section here, you can also then create different reports, namely either a single file or several. Then if you have several measurements selected, one Excel file for each file. If I, however, use this single file output, this will then create one file. It also allows me to then, if I combine several measurements, to instead of having all functions selected, use just the intersected functions. So if I just am after one particular function that is common for all files, this will be the setting to use. For the building acoustics and sound power part here, we can check out whether or not we will have the individual results in our report or not. So that if you have a number of, let's say, individual measurements and just want to have the average, then you undo this. If you want to have all the different individual measurements, you tick off this. If you want to include the decay data, for instance, that's a time profile for a reverberation measurement, you include it here.